like the abuse? Do you like the abuse? Do you like it? Do you like it? Do you like it? Fluffy likes abuse. Alright, calm down. Who knew picking one measly flea off you and then ended up cuddling you would piss you off? See, she'd get pissed, she'd get pissed, she'd get pissed off.
Bite me. I dare you.
She likes the abuse. She sounds like she's having a kitty organ. You didn't even pick her up. She's just too pissed off right now. I see my feet. I see my feet on the TV. Randy. I see a tail. Is it flopping? Oh no, it's not flopping. This cat hates me. Oh. It's a fluffy kitty. Randy, go get kitty. Kitty's pissed off right now. Go get kitty. Go get kitty. Go get kitty. Wake up, Randy.
She knows one of my pressure points.
What?
This one paw that's closest to me.
Uh-huh.
It's on one of my pressure points.
She is pissed. Or he is pissed.
She.
He. Oh my god, what is she doing? Do I want to know?
I'm scratching her ass. And she's biting me. Like that. Bite me again.
Brandy! Brandy.
Go.
And the cat flies away and says, "Ah!" I'm scared. Cat don't like me. Hi! How you doing? No! I like my face not being shown on camera.
I'm done.
Uh-huh, sure. I don't believe you for one. Pop. Taste the rainbow of pop. I don't know how that made sense. You know, Skittles taste the rainbow, cola, now you just drink it.
There's a puppy dog.
Hey, no, bat dog.
Come here. And you go over there.
She loves me. She's not like a cat trying to get me in line.
Randy. It's Pop.
Randy, bat dog. No, bat dog. Yeah. How you doing? Jolly good, sir. Tea time. Stand the pinky.
Well, that's the end of that video. Okay, we'll see ya. Bye.